Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching a So What box opening. Well, as you know, it's been a little crazy, and these have just kind of stacked up. I do not know what month this is. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I know what year it is. But we're going to open it up, and then I'm going to slowly work my way through them and make the projects. And I really like these. It's from an independent business owner, and she does a really good job. Upgrade. Fabrics are now laser cut for increased accuracy. Very nice. And we have this nice little card, and it gives you some information on the back. I like this project. Designed in the USA. Pins and needles are packaged in the USA. Fabrics made in the USA. Cards, patterns, envelopes, box designed and printed in the USA. And we have our little fabric bundle. We have grays and some yellows. And what I like, again, is these are packaged with a ribbon that you can cut and then use them as little handmade tags. And this month's project is a notepad cover. And she has included everything you need. You've got some thread, you've got the fabric, you have the little notepad. It says you will need a sewing machine, scissors, iron, and ruler. We have pre-cut fabric and elastic, the spiral memo pad, thread, pins, and a universal needle, written instructions, and then she also has a link to a video. And then it says we have a desk set video tutorial link inside. And it looks like we've got a, let's see, let's pull this out. The notepad cover, a pen holder, and a book cover. And it is a pattern that you'll have to cut out. A little extra. I like that. That's kind of neat. So this will be an upcoming project for me to work on. As always, it's an independent business owner. She does a super job of curating these boxes. I love supporting a small business owner. I love supporting things that are done in the U.S. And I love learning new and different projects. So this is kind of going to be a fun project, and I can see this as being little gifts that I can make. Ladies at church, school teachers, different things. So going to be very handy. And this is, most of the time I can look at her fabrics and go, ooh, I have that fabric. I don't have this fabric. So, very neat. And that could even be for someone who does a lot of construction or woodworking. I'm not going to say a man, because it could be a woman. But this could definitely be a little notebook cover for them, so they can write down ideas, shopping list, measurements. Very neat. I love it. And it's called So Handy. Be sure to use the link that's in the description. I will get a little thank you from her if you use my link. And anything and everything always helps out. We're so glad you decided to join us today. And I look forward to you coming back as we continue our adventure in new sewing projects, among other things. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. That's the best thing you can do for us, is to share this video, tell your friends. And most importantly, don't forget to come back. We'll see you next time, right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.